Hi, Year 10. Welcome to this short video on how to use Google Earth. I just want to show you in this video the search function, which is up here, and the zoom function so that you can use it to look around the world. I'm going to type China in my search function and click on search, and we'll be taken northwest to the land of China, and you can see there that the yellow line gives us our border of China, so you can see exactly where it is. Going back to Australia now, type in Australia and we'll head back south, and we get a great view of Australia there. We can already see in a lot of detail the effect of heavy rain or more rain on the coastal areas. You can see that they're green, which shows vegetation, and in the great dry centre of our country. If you want to have a closer look, over here is the zoom bar. Okay, click on plus and keep clicking until you get the detail that you want. You can use the little hand here then to click and drag the map of Australia if you want to, or you can use the arrows to get around. But here again you can see really clearly how when the rainfall drops out after the Great Dividing Range, we get lots and lots of desert. So it's very easy to be a geographer in your lounge room at home. Okay, I hope you find this little tool useful and interesting, and have a go at exploring the settlement patterns of Australia and China. Thank you.